Good morning everyone, it's Mel here and welcome back to Mel's Blind Life, the YouTube channel all about blindness. Today is Saturday the 26th of October 2019. I am still on board the Golden Princess. I got on yesterday afternoon. Last night we had probably the best sleep ever, I reckon. I think I probably fell asleep about 11 o'clock and didn't wake up until about 9 o'clock, so I had a good solid 8 hours sleep. Apart from one trip to the loo, but I don't even remember what time that was. It's about 10:30 in the morning now. We missed the morning trivia. Oh well. And we're going to go somewhere and have breakfast because we missed breakfast. And just see how the day pans out. Had a nice lovely morning coffee at the Promenade Bar. We were so desperate for coffee, I kid you not. And now we are going to go for walkies. So, whoops. Okay, so we decided it was this way, didn't we? What's the problem?
Albus was he was showing the tortoise. There, now. I'm trying to get him at the premium height for you. And
well, I'm not going to use you.
oh, I checked.
No, I'm going to try the route. Remember the new route?
Yes, the new route.
I'm going to see how I go.
Okay. I shall follow.
Right. Sorry. Off to a really good start. I don't think. La la la. Okay. So.
One leg down.
What?
One leg down.
Oops. Yes. 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 Okay. Now. Yes. Now find left. That's it. Find lead straight. 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 Oh, no. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. Shouldn't be a wall there. Ah, yes. Okay, there we go. Right, now. Straight on. Oh, God. Okay. Now, straight. Around that, whatever it is. Okay. La la la. Now, I think I have to turn left in a second. No, right, I mean. And then it's a straight line. That's it. Concentrating. Oh. Straight on. Concentrating. Straight on. Oh, shit. Concentrating. Okay. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. Look! 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 I did it! 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 I did it so good.
That was perfect.
That was like perfect.
I thought you were going to go off. I thought you might be thrown off by that wheel thing you ran into. But you did it perfectly.
Here, button.
Keep going.
No, that's not a button.
No, you'll find it.
Ah. That's the down one though.
Yeah. Oh, you did it perfect. You don't need me.
Sorry. You are now redundant.
Oh.
Aww. No, I love you. I certainly wouldn't do it on my own when it's any more crowded than that though.
No, but that was a pretty big crowd, not a nighttime crowd,
No.
but a fair crowd.
And I wasn't using my mini guide either.
Weren't you?
No, because I'm
Oh, because you're recording.
cameraing.
That was perfect. I'm so impressed.
I'm impressed.
Now don't get cocky, because you could stuff it up next time. But
So what I want to know is
Yes,
there
dear.
one of those big clocks here too?
what?
One of the big clocks.
Yeah, there's a big box.
No, not BOX. CLOCKS.
Oh, no, that's gone.
Oh. Oh, hang on. There's a lift.
Oh, yes.
Oh. Somewhere.
Wherever now.
Run!
Run.
Run!
Stick your hand out. You got it.
I stick my cane out instead. Sorry. Right.
Hard to,
Okay, everyone. It's about 1:30. I'm currently just walking down the hallway past all the fancy suites and stuff where the posh people live. And I'm going back up to our cabin to have a leak and just do a couple of things. And then we're going to have bingo. We haven't really done anything much this morning. We just went to have a coffee at the promenade bar first thing because we didn't have coffee and we needed to have coffee. And then after that we went and got ourselves organised. We had, brushed our teeth and did things like that. And then we came and had lunch up here at Donatello's, and after lunch I'm just going back to our room now, and then I will go to bingo. So I found the stairs. I'm going to go up to our room and then enjoy bingo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been ages since I did any part of today's vlog. It's now 6:30 in the evening. I am sitting here at the piazza. I think the last time I filmed was when we were on our way back from lunch, maybe. So we went down to bingo. I will insert a photo somewhere. Might even use it as the thumbnail for this video. Don't know yet. You'll know when it's been published. We'll send a photo. We went to bingo, so I took a photo of Stanley, the Princess Bear, playing bingo. We are now sitting here at the piazza, as I said, waiting for the Captain's Champagne Waterfall to begin. So here's around, basically that's a walkway there, and then basically there's just all people everywhere. And behind me there is where they've got a big stack of champagne glasses. And I am praying to God that they do not break. Because if they do, I will be having conniptions for a month afterwards. So after lunch we went to bingo. We then did a quiz, and when we did the quiz we got 13 out of 20, which was pretty good. And then we went upstairs back to our room and did a couple of things. We've just been to one of the merchandise shops on deck 6. I bought this jacket that I'm now wearing because I needed a nice jacket that I didn't have a really nice sort of warmish jacket. My old one's getting a bit past it, so I bought this, and I also bought a couple of mugs, one for myself and one for a friend. So after the Champagne Waterfall it will be dinner time, so we'll film the champagne thingy a little bit. This is the Champagne Waterfall I was talking about. So there's 143 champagne glasses, and basically it was stacked on a table, and it's 9 levels of champagne glasses stacked one on top of the other in a kind of a cone shape apparently. And what they do is they get a bottle of champagne, and the maitre d' is over there helping people to pour champagne into the 543 glasses. Apparently they usually do 13 levels because it's slightly uneven. Today they've done 9 levels of it instead, so it's on a table over there. This is an event that they usually do at the beginning of every cruise. Unfortunately, it's actually the second night of our 2-night cruise, so they're doing it at the end. But it's such a tradition, they just decided to do it anyway, which I think is really awesome, because then people who are getting their first ever cruise get to have a really good taste of it. So we're going to listen and see what the captain has to say.
Tonight we're looking at, there's a very rough seas tonight, and the ship's going up and down and sideways. We've been listing a bit, and we've got over 4-metre waves, and every time the ship goes up a wave, we get this very loud rumbling noise.
Yeah, it's like a vibration.
Yeah, and this vibration that comes with it. It's wonderful. We're just loving it. Oops. You have to hold it, Mel. And yes, it's fantastic.
Fantastic! Hi everyone, it's Mel here, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, we've got rough seas on the Golden Princess. Don's family vacation is linked down below. Up we go. No? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
No? Yeah? And then... oh, down we go. Whoa! Yep, down we go.
Oh dear.
So after having enjoyed the waves down on deck 5 near where the library is, we're up on promenade at the promenade bar, and the piano gentleman is here playing piano in that direction. You could probably just see people standing around the piano. You probably actually can't see the piano right now. And here's just around the bar, Judy's head. I'm not going to show you that way because there's people, but it's basically just everyone's here having a good Aussie sing-song around the piano. And of course, a beer. Gotta have your beer. Then I saw her face. Yeah, I'm a believer. Not a trace. Doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. So her face. I'm a believer. Saw her face. Now I'm a believer. I'm not a trace. I died in my mind. I'm in love. Ooh, I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. Simply nice. take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, mountain highway, take me home, country road. Aussies doing what we do best, singing around the bar, drinking VB. This can't get any better. Oh, West Virginia, mountain highways, country road. Woohoo!
My nerve and you ran in my brain. Too much love drove me insane. You broke my will. What a thrill. Run days and days of great balls of fire. I lived to love the lowest money. You came along and I'm free honey. I changed my mind. Love so high. Good was a blaze of great balls of fire. Kiss me baby. Oh, you ever feel so good. Hold me baby. And don't you come back no more. Oh, what a treat to me. You're the meanest woman that I ever seen. I guess that you said so. Well, I had to pack my things and go. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Oh, what a treat to me. You're the meanest woman that I ever seen. I guess that you said so. Pack my things and go. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.